Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Mazda CX-5 Sport Design. Under the hood there's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power park brake, power sunroof, power liftgate, heated and ventilated seats, power seating, lane change alert, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with front and rear powered windows, power lock and unlock, and powered mirrors. Some storage and cup holder space below, and the Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar, as well as the memory seating. Here are the seats, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is our power liftgate button and our lane change alert. We can start up the vehicle. In the middle is our odometer. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our radio controls and Bluetooth controls. To the right, we have the cruise control. We can take a look at the infotainment screen here and check out our audio. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth or the USB. We can also take a look at the navigation here, and we can throw it into reverse. There's the backup camera. And down at the bottom here we have the climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as the heated steering wheel. Down at the bottom there's some storage with a 12-volt plug-in. Over here we have our power park brake with our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, and our center console with a storage compartment above and one that goes deeper below, as well as 2 USB plug-ins and a 12-volt plug-in. Here's the rear view mirror. Just above that we have a place to hold our sunglasses, 2 dome lights, and our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color match mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, as well as privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back. We can also take a look at the exhaust. And to open up the back, all we've got to do is click and hold. Tons of space back here, and of course these seats can drop down to get a ton more storage. You can also lift this up for the spare tire, some extra tools and storage space. Very spacious, and to close up all we got to do is push the button and it'll close for us. Taking a look at the rear interior, here's our door with power windows, some storage and cup holder space below. Here are the seats, and we can drop these down from the front here by just pulling that. We're gonna hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. Back of the center console are the rear vents. Of course there are handles on either side at the top, 2 dome lights at the top, and we can pull this middle part down for an armrest / cup holder with some extra storage below, as well as the rear heated seats. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of the 2023 Mazda CX-5 Sport Design. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.